Hello, everybody, and welcome. We'll be making a sensitivity analysis table using the data set provided to y'all. So we'll start off with our data. We're going to pull that from here. All right. So let's start off by just asking CoPilot to give us the data set formatted like it is on Excel. So we're going to say show. Let's go. Alright, so it gives us the data set, which is perfect. It's going to be all of our variable cost, fixed cost, total revenue, and variable cost and profit at the end. So what we're going to ask from it is, the question we're begging to ask is, how do changes in selling price, variable and fixed costs affect the total profit? So the first prompt we'll ask this is just to identify the total profit. It's going to pull out the total profit for us. And when doing the total profit, we want to obviously get that as a bigger number. So let's figure out what is affecting this, and to break it up even nicer for us, let's ask it to make us a histogram based off of the data set and profit made each month. So it's going to build us a histogram. This is just going to give us a visualization of what is happening with this table. And once we see this histogram, we're going to see that there is some seasonal differences. Just building it right now. Some time to think here. All right, so obviously there are some big outliers, but as you can see, the normal profit's around $8,000. So let's ask it where. Let's get that. It's going to give us the big factors that are affecting our profit in this data set. Look at that. Variable cost obviously is affecting the profit the most. So let's ask this to create a sensitivity. I'm sorry. Table with variable cost starting at 15 and increasing by 5 until 45 as the rows, and make the so do that as the columns for the sake of this lab, and make the rows units sold by 50 to, let's just do 400 to 850. Let's make that 750. Alrighty. Gonna enter on that. So here it gives us a sensibility table. And then we're going to ask it to use a heat map. So now as accountants, we always like green profit, red not. So we're asking it to use a heat map table with the greater numbers being green and the lower numbers being in red. And this may take a minute. Give CoPilot some time to think. So it actually gave us a completely different table. This actually put into effect the first data we had. Let's ask it to use the sensitivity. Just be more direct here. Ask it to. Nope, and let's have it regenerate. It's loading up for us. Actually different. This is the selling price and variable cost. When here it is our units sold. So we're gonna, let's see if we can ask it more specifically. With these you will have problems. Your AI will always give a different answer. So let's see, a third time's a charm here. There it is, perfect. All right, so here is our sensitivity analysis map. As you can see, if we lower variable cost and sell more, our profit will be way higher, and vice versa. So I hope this lab was helpful to use CoPilot to create a sensitivity analysis table. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed.